Ciao a tutti e bentornati sul mio canale YouTube, sono Bucola. Oggi vi spiego e vi mostro come potete cambiare la vostra residenza online. Allora, questo video sarà in inglese e se non lo capite potete attivare i sottotitoli, ok? Grazie. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bucola if you are new. So in today's video, I will be explaining to you and I will be showing you how you can change your residence online. So sit back and watch the tutorial. So it is now very easy to do a lot of things online, and you can change your residence online with the ANPR website, which is the portale dell'Anagrafe Nazionale della Popolazione Residente. So on the website you can do a whole lot of things on the website, guys. You can do a whole lot of things on the website. You can change your residence, you can download your stato di famiglia. You can download lots of documents, even your marriage certificate on this website. You can do a lot of things. So if you move from one comune, which is council, from one council to the other, you can simply change it online. You don't have to go to the comune anymore to change your residence. You can do that online. Please guys, pardon the background noises, okay? So you can simply do that online. So let's go to the ANP. This is the ANPR website, certificati anagrafici online or servizi al cittadino, anyone. So this is it. This is the website, anagrafenazionale.interno.it. Okay, so this is the website. So l'Anagrafe Nazionale della Popolazione Residenze è la banca dati nazionale che semplifica i servizi demografici per favorire la digitalizzazione e il miglioramento dei servizi a cittadini, imprese ed enti. Possiamo tradurlo. Ok, sì. The National Resident Population Registry is a national database that simplifies demographic services to facilitate the digitization and improvements of services for citizens, businesses and organizations. Okay, so as you can see, you can do a lot of things here. You can download certificates. Can you see a change of residence request, which is this one right here. It says from the 27th of April, all citizens can apply online for a change of residence from one municipality to another in Italy, or for repatriation from abroad for citizens. So like if you're moving from Italy to another country, maybe you are moving to the United States, you can do that online. Okay, so online. Okay, so let me return it to italiano perché per me è più facile. Allora, to log in, you go to accedi ai servizi al cittadino. So guys, you can do this on your phone. So what I'm going to advise you is to go to Google on your mobile phone and you change the settings to desktop settings. Okay, so you change it to desktop mode so that you can do, so you won't be limited. Okay, so when you do this on your phone, you make sure you turn on the desktop mode. Okay, so for me it's easier using a computer to do this tutorial. Accedi a servizi al cittadini, and I will be logging in with my SPID. So you can log in with your carta d'identità nazionale, carta d'identità elettronica, which is your electronic identity card, or with your tessera sanitaria, but you will need there's a little machine that you will need, okay, which is a card reader. Okay, so if you can buy that online if you don't want to log in with your SPID and you just use your tessera sanitaria to log in. So I will be logging in with SPID because I have SPID already. Ok, acconsento. Ok, ho letto informativa. You can read the information on privacy and just read it, and you can read it. Okay, so I'm just gonna click ho letto l'informativa on the trattamenti dei dati personali. So as you can see here, this is like the where you can check, you can ask for a certificate, you change your residence, where you can request for a change of data. Okay, maybe you want to change something about you, maybe your documents, you want to change it, you can click right here. Then if you want to consult maybe the certifications that you've downloaded or your auto certifications, you can do it right here. You can insert your phone number, everything about you, your email address and everything. I'll be blurring this because this is a personal information. Okay, so since today is about residence, I'm gonna click here, richiedi un cambio di residenza. Okay, so this is a new declaration, okay? Per inserire una nuova dichiarazione di residenza puoi consultare una guida alla compilazione di una dichiarazione PDF. So if you're finding it difficult, there's a guide here that you can download that's going to help you it's going to be a kind of guide for you, or guide so to help you download it. As you can see here, it's saying where you have to go, cambio di residenza. You see, can you see here? So it's just, I think if this is your first time, it's going to guide you. It's going to help you on how you can request for the change of residence. So I'm going to click on registra una nuova dichiarazione. Quindi ragazzi, io non voglio cambiare la mia residenza, ma per fare questo video cioè vi sto solo facendo vedere come potete farlo, come potete cambiarla, ok? I don't have to change my residence, I'm just showing you how you have to do it. So this here says nuova residenza. Se si seleziona nuova residenza è possibile effettuare un cambio di residenza dell'intera famiglia o di alcuni componenti. In quest'ultimo cosa verrà generata? Trasferisci la tua residenza da solo o con alcuni componenti della famiglia in un'altra abitazione dove al momento non è residenza nessuno. Trasferisci la tua residenza da solo o con alcuni componenti della tua famiglia di origine in un'altra abitazione dove sono presenti anche altre persone con le quali non hai o avete vincoli di parentela o affettivi. Residenza e famiglia esistente. Se si seleziona residenza e famiglia esistente, questa scelta consente di richiedere per tutte le persone indicate nella scheda l'iscrizione nell'indirizzo indicato dove è già residente una famiglia con la quale si hanno legami di parentela o affettivi. Effettuando questa scelta sarà necessario indicare uno dei componenti della famiglia in cui si vuole entrare a far parte. Ok, so for example, this one right here is saying that if you select the nuova residenza, which is new residence, like it means that it is possible to change the residence of the whole family or members of the family. Okay, so this means that the first one here says that you can transfer your residence. Like you alone can transfer your residence or some members of your family to another home where no one is currently resident, okay? Or you can transfer your residence, your own residence, or some of the members of your family to another home where there are people living there, but you don't have any family ties or emotional ties with them, okay? That you don't have any relationship with them. So you are moving to a new place, okay? But right here in residenza in famiglia esistente, okay, so this means that if you select this residence, maybe this allows you to request for residence for someone that is joining your family. Let's say for example you invited your mother from another city to come and live with you, and you want to request for residence. Okay, you can request a residence for her and maybe your sister, your brother. So that is what this one means, okay? So after doing that, after you know the one you want to choose, so you're going to click here che dichiaro sotto la mia responsabilità. I declare under my personal responsibility to have read the information contained in the guide for filling this declaration, that you are not sending any false statements and you are not attaching any document that doesn't have anything to do with the declaration of residence. So you go ahead to choose nuova residenza or residenza in famiglia esistente. So you choose the one that's, the one you want. Okay, so maybe you click nuova residenza. Yeah, as you can see, generalità, your name, surname, your gender, your codice fiscale, which is your fiscal code, date of birth, where you were born, identificativo ANPR, it's going to give you the number already. So stato civile is going to tell you if you are single or married. Cittadinanza, family. So in that family, you already see everything about you. Okay, so you're going to see maybe your husband or your wife, your children, everything is there. Everything is going to be there. So residenza, so in here this is where the old residence is. So this is the new residence. Okay, so you're going to go ahead to choose the province. Okay, there's the new one, nuova residenza, the new residence. Then the comune. So for example, provincia di Parma, for example, let's look for Parma. Comune di residenza, scegliamo Parma. Look, to write that is the frazione via. You write the address. Okay, the everything. Okay, so so if you are buying the house, maybe you are the owner of the house, meaning that you bought the house, you go ahead to fill everything about the house right here. But if you are, if you rented the house, you go ahead to click, you say di essere intestatario del contratto di locazione. Ok, contratto di locazione is the contract of your affitto. Okay, so and make sure that it has been registered in the Agenzia delle Entrate, because you have to put in the details right here. Okay, di essere intestatario di contratto di locazione relativo a immobile di edilizia. Okay, so maybe if you are living in a government house, you have to click here. Maybe it's a commune house. Okay, maybe the government, the comune, or maybe you understand what I mean. Maybe they gave you a house. This is where you will click. Okay, this is where you will click. So if you are living free in the house, maybe the house was given to you for free, which is contratto di comodato di uso gratuito. This is where you put everything. Okay, and if you're living there for free, make sure it is registered, because you will need details about it too, because the owner of the house, the person that has given you the house to live for free, has to go register it in the Agenzia delle Entrate, and you need to put it here. This one says, okay, di essere usufruttario in forza del seguente titolo costitutivo. So meaning that, so if to be a usufructuary by virtue of the following constitutive titolo, come si dice, title. So you have to indicate everything that you are living there for free. That you are living there for free because of this and that. Ok, so this one di occupare legittimamente l'abitazione in base al titolo di you just have to choose the one that goes for you. Okay, so after doing that, after filling all the necessary documents, so here is to add your documents. Okay, so you click on aggiungi to add your documents, maybe your carta d'identità, your permesso di soggiorno, and all that. Okay, so that if you want to you can add your phone number here, and when you're through, you can just save it as a draft. When you're through, you can save it as a draft, or you can decide to eliminate it. You can decide to delete it if you see that you don't need it, or maybe what you feel ain't right. So when you're done with it, you click on invia dichiarazione. It's very easy, guys. It's very easy. Since I'm not changing my own residence, so that's why you don't see me filling it. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you have any question, you can always leave it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in my next upload. Grazie, ciao.